Just in case the music picked up, there was some neighbors that decided to play some very loud music. Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to bring you along as we cook some ribeye steaks on the Blackstone Griddle. We got some at Sam's Clubs. They're kind of thick, and all I did was put just a little dab of oil on there, some kosher salt and black pepper on both sides. That's how I like just to season my steak. And so I've got it setting out. I'm going to let it set out for about 30 minutes, kind of come to room temperature. I'm going to heat up the griddle, let it get really hot, and then I'll meet you outside. I only have half of my griddle lit, and I'm going to put a little oil, and then we're going to lay the steaks on there and not turn them or nothing for about 5 minutes, and I am going to cover them with my lid. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Excuse me for talking loud, but we're going to check it to see. Looks good, but maybe a couple more minutes. Alright, so now we're going to turn them, or see if they're ready to be turned. Yeah, they look good. Okay, we're going to let them go about 4 minutes on this side. And then we'll check them for doneness to see if it's how Ricky likes them. Okay, this is the steak that my husband chose to eat. So I'm going to see about right where it's at. Alright, if that's the one you want, that one's ready. Still got about coming up. Yeah. Alright, we're going to call his done. Let me show you what looks good on that side too. Alright, we're going to let these go a few more minutes. And then, go ahead. And then we'll take them up, take them inside, let them rest for a few minutes. And then I'll fix my plate up and we'll try them. This is mine and my daughter's steak. It's ready. We're going to take it up. Okay, this is not the whole steak, but me and my daughter half a steak because I'm not going to eat all that. So now it's time to try it. And that's just butter on my fork. It's really good and really tender. I actually think I like cooking my steaks better on the griddle than on the grill. So anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry for the yelling and all at the beginning of it because of all the music that was being played in the neighborhood. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment because I love to hear from you. How do you like your steaks? How do you like to cook them? Please let me know. Until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.